Complementary goods are in joint demand. The value of cross price elasticity for the two complementary goods would be always negative. The stronger the relationship between two products, the higher is the coefficient of cross price elasticity of demand. When there is a strong complementary relationship, the cross elasticity will be highly negative. An example might be game consoles and software games. Now, like in substitutes where we have strong substitutes and weak substitutes, here also we'll have close complements and weak complements. So in close complements, for example, this is price of A and this is demand for B. This would be P1, Q1, P2 and Q2. A small fall in the price of A causes a large rise in the demand for B. So here you can see that it has a downward sloping, so it is actually negative coefficient, unlike the substitute where it had an upward sloping, so it is positive relationship between price of X and demand of Y. But here as you can see, price of A and demand for B has a negative relationship. So likewise in a weak complement, if you look at it, this is price of A and demand for B is P1, P2 and Q1 and Q2. There is a larger drop in price from P1 to P2 causes only a small rise in the demand of B. So this shows a weak complement. Nevertheless, there will be a negative sign. In a strong cross price elasticity, in a strong complementary good, you will find that the coefficient has a much larger value than of a weak complement. So here, like, how do we price for complementary goods? Now let's take an example of when we go to movie theaters, we would generally buy popcorn and soft drinks. So these goods, popcorn and movie theater tickets are complementary goods. So when there is a fall in the popcorn prices, there might be more people coming to the theaters. So you can give an offer like if you have two tickets, you will get one popcorn free. So in that case, there is a fall in popcorn prices, but you will see that more people coming to the theater. So the demand for movie theaters would actually increase. So there is highly negative correlation between the price of popcorn and the demand of movie theaters. So the additional profit that is made by movie theaters will very well compensate the cost incurred by giving out free popcorns. So another important point here to note that there is brand and cross price elasticity. For example, when consumers become habitual purchasers of a particular product, the cross elasticity of demand against rival products will actually decrease. This makes demand less sensitive to price. For example, iPhone is a clear example because they have mostly loyal customers. So when people are used to iPhone, it's a brand, so it's very unlikely they will switch to an Android phone. So even though there is a huge difference between Apple products and the rival Android products, it is still, you can say, it is very less sensitive to price. So the result is that firms may be able to charge a very high price. As you can see, the new iPhone X is being charged at $1,000. So their total revenue they can increase and achieve much larger profits.